I bet you didn't know how amazing Punta Cana can be. Welcome to our channel Merimedtravel. Today we're diving into the best things to do in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic in 2025. So grab your sunscreen, pack your bags, at least mentally, and let's jump right into the action. First up, we're hitting the beach, and not just any beach, we're talking about Bavaro Beach, the crown jewel of Punta Cana. This place is a paradise on earth. Imagine this, miles of powdery white sand, the kind that squeaks between your toes. It's like walking on a cloud, palm trees swaying in the breeze, providing some much-needed shade from that Caribbean sun. It's the perfect spot to lay down your towel, and the water, oh man, the water is like stepping into a dream. Crystal clear turquoise that stretches as far as the eye can see. You won't believe how beautiful it is until you see it for yourself. You can literally walk out for what feels like a mile, and the water's still only up to your waist. Perfect for a leisurely stroll. Want to just post up with a good book and soak up the rays? You got it. There's nothing like the feeling of the sun on your skin. Feeling a little more adventurous? Rent a jet ski, try some parasailing, or go for a swim. The options are endless. There are tons of little beach bars dotted along the shore, so you can grab a cold Presidente beer or a fresh coconut and just enjoy the vibe. It's the ultimate beach experience. The sand is like sugar, the water is the perfect temperature, and the energy is infectious. Everyone's here to have a good time. It's the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with yourself and nature. Find your inner peace here. Just another reason why Bavaro Beach is a must-visit when you're in Punta Cana. Don't miss out on this slice of paradise. All right, so you've had your fill of relaxation on the beach. Now it's time to kick things up a notch and get your adrenaline pumping at Skate Park. This place is an adventure lover's paradise with something for everyone. First up, let's talk zip lining. Imagine soaring through the air. The jungle canopy whizzing by below you, the wind screaming in your ears. And if you're really brave, they even have a zip line that takes you right over a cenote. Speaking of cenotes, Skate Park is home to the famous Hoyo Azul, a stunning natural sinkhole filled with crystal clear fresh water. The water is so clear and blue, it's almost unreal. All right, let's be honest, no trip to the Caribbean is complete without a catamaran cruise. It's the quintessential Caribbean experience that everyone should have at least once in their lifetime. And in Punta Cana, they take it to the next level. The luxury and excitement are unmatched, making it a must-do activity. Picture this. You're sailing along the coast, the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, a cold drink in your hand. It's pure bliss, a moment of perfect relaxation and joy. The turquoise water stretches out before you, dotted with tiny islands and coral reefs. It's like a scene straight out of a postcard, absolutely breathtaking. We're talking snorkeling with colourful fish, maybe even spotting a sea turtle or two. The underwater world here is vibrant and teeming with life. We're talking music pumping, the crew teaching everyone how to salsa, and a party atmosphere that's impossible to resist. It's a celebration on the waves, and as the sun starts to set, painting the sky in a blaze of orange, pink and purple, you're treated to the most incredible sunset views you've ever seen. It's a magical end to a perfect day. Trust me, a catamaran cruise in Punta Cana is an experience you won't soon forget. It's the highlight of any Caribbean adventure. All right, let's switch gears for a bit and immerse ourselves in the natural beauty of the Dominican Republic at Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park. This place is a hidden gem, a sanctuary of lush tropical vegetation, freshwater lagoons, and incredible biodiversity. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, offering a serene and peaceful environment. As you wander along the well-maintained trails, you'll be surrounded by towering palm trees, vibrant flowers, and the sounds of exotic birdsong. The trails are designed to give you an immersive experience, making you feel one with nature. It's like stepping into a different world, a world untouched by time. The pristine nature reserve offers a glimpse into what the world looked like before modern development. And the best part, you can take a dip in one of the 12 freshwater lagoons. These natural pools are perfect for cooling off on a hot day. These lagoons, fed by underground springs, are crystal clear and incredibly refreshing. The water is so clear that you can see the bottom, making it a unique swimming experience. Keep an eye out for iguanas basking in the sun, colorful birds flitting through the trees, and maybe even a turtle or two swimming in the lagoons. The wildlife here is truly remarkable. The park is also home to a botanical garden where you can learn about the medicinal and culinary uses of various plants. It's an educational experience that adds another layer to your visit. Okay, time to cross something off the bucket list. We're talking about swimming with dolphins, people. And not just watching them from afar, but actually getting in the water and interacting with these incredible creatures. Punta Cana offers some amazing dolphin encounter experiences where you can swim alongside dolphins, learn about their behavior, and even get a fin shake or a kiss. Imagine the feeling of these graceful animals gliding past you, their sleek bodies cutting through the water with effortless grace. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave Punta Cana. These encounters are also incredibly educational. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level and understand the importance of protecting these amazing animals. All right, the sun's gone down, the stars are out, and it's time to experience the legendary nightlife of Punta Cana. This place knows how to party. And whether you're looking for a laid-back beach bar, a pulsating nightclub, or some live music, Punta Cana has got you covered. Imagine this. You're sipping on a perfectly mixed mojito, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore in the background as a local band plays merengue and bachata. Punta Cana's nightlife scene is all about embracing the vibrant energy and letting loose. So put on your dancing shoes, grab a drink, and get ready to experience the magic of Punta Cana after dark. All right, calling all golf enthusiasts. If you're looking for a truly unforgettable golfing experience, look no further than Punta Espada Golf Club. This Jack Nicklaus signature design course is consistently ranked among the best in the Caribbean, and for good reason. Imagine this, you're teeing off against a backdrop of breathtaking ocean views. The Caribbean sun warm on your skin, the sound of the waves crashing against the cliffs in the distance. The course itself is a masterpiece, with challenging holes that wind their way through dramatic cliffs, lush vegetation, and stunning oceanfront vistas. It's the perfect place to relax after a round of golf, enjoy a delicious meal, and soak up the incredible views. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to the top things to do in Punta Cana in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Explore the local cuisine. Discover the mouth-watering dishes and unique flavors of Punta Cana's local cuisine. From fresh seafood to traditional Dominican dishes, this chapter will take you on a culinary journey you won't forget. Imagine savoring the fresh catch of the day, perfectly grilled and seasoned with local spices, or indulging in hearty, comforting dishes like la bandera dominicana, a staple of rice, beans, and meat that embodies the soul of the island. Don't forget to try the famous mofongo, a delicious mash of plantains, garlic, and chicharron, or sample some tostones, crispy fried green plantains that are the perfect snack or side dish. And for dessert, treat yourself to a slice of dulce de coco, or a refreshing scoop of coconut ice cream made from the freshest coconuts you'll ever taste. Punta Cana's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, blending traditional flavors with modern twists, all set against the backdrop of stunning Caribbean views. So come hungry and leave with a heart full of unforgettable flavors. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope you enjoyed this delicious journey as much as we did. Until next time, happy travels and bon appetit.